breathe. Dropping the chin very gently and going into chin circles. Slowly, slowly. Breathing regularly and making sure you don't take the head too far back. Feel your feet on the floor. Keep the shoulders and neck soft. Breathing into the belly. Reverse direction. Keep it really slow. Visualizing the body weight dropping down through the hips, down the legs into the feet. Make sure that you're breathing. Clearing the head. No thoughts. Into some shoulder circles. Bringing them forward. Stretching out in front of you, stretching the arms. And then taking them behind you, opening the chest, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Shake out. Legs and arms, wrists and fingers, and hips. Step kick into the legs. And then just working with the breastbone, gently easing it forward, pulling it back. Don't push it. And then into some very soft ribcage circles, one way and then the other. Arms. Keep the shoulders relaxed, dropping away from the ears. Back to shoulder circles. And arms. Make sure that you're breathing. And then the circles of the hips. Don't push it, nice and easy. Slight tone in the tummy. Make sure your knees are soft. Back eights. Play with them a little. Some gentle shimmies. Some easy camels. Make sure that you're not straightening your knees too much. And make sure you're breathing. Back to the arms and the spine. Either or, try not to do them both together. Seesaws. Up, down, floating the arms up. Keep the shoulders relaxed, dropping away from the ears and breathe. Taking the seesaw into a shake. Forward circles. Really letting your hips start to sway now, transferring weight foot to foot. Arms floating on air. Get those oblique muscles starting to work at the front of the waist. Hip drops, turning if you can. If you can't turn, just keep doing them on the spot. Make sure it's nice and easy for you. Don't push yourself into technique you don't know today. Vertical eights. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Arms float on air. Bouncy hip drops. And just let your arms move through space. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Jaw is soft. To the forward eights again. Playing with the music. Working those tummy muscles now. And just breathe. Let the arms flow. Opening the arms, dropping the hips again. Just let your spine play with the music, keeping the hips calm. And then just going into a scissor walk on the spot. Ball to heel of the foot. Swings. So that's double hip drops. Breathe and just feel your feet on the floor, dropping the body weight down as we let the arms flow through the different frames into the back eights. Remember to keep breathing as we work through our fluid movements, keeping the body relaxed and supple, starting to let your neck relax, back into the seesaws. Hip circles. If you can't spiral, just keep doing the hip circles on the spot, facing the same direction. Same with the camels. Make sure that you're breathing. Slinky side to sides, into vertical eights, back to slinky side to sides, leaning the spine softly and into seesaws. More camels. Remember to walk your feet. Some ribcage shimmies. Make sure you're not working with the shoulders. Swings. Back to the spine. Snake arms. Ribcage eights. Some very easy twists. Breathing, grounding yourself into the arms. Arms come towards the heart. Shimmy. At the same time as just letting the energy flow down the arms to the fingertips. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Forward swerves. Make sure you're transferring the weight from back foot to front foot and back again. Walking on the spot. Remember that the backward swing of the arm is more important than the front swing. Breathe. Slinky side to sides. Keeping your knees soft, but don't use them to push your hips sideways. Transferring the weight foot to foot. See if you can keep your shimmy going through the twist. And breathe.